Hello, and welcome to the Mortgage Porter Weekly. I'm Rhonda Porter, mortgage advisor in the greater Seattle area, and this is your update for the week of May 18th, 2026. It was a busy week on the economic front. Inflation remained elevated in April. Consumer prices rose 0.6% for the month and are up 3.8% year over year, with energy and food costs driving much of the increase. Core inflation also came in hotter than expected, and wholesale prices jumped 1.4% for the month and are running 6% above a year ago. The message is clear that price pressures are still sticky, and that keeps the Fed in a real tough spot, balancing persistent inflation against a cooling labor market. And on that note, the Senate confirmed Kevin Warsh as the new Federal Reserve Chair, succeeding Jerome Powell. His first meeting is in June, and markets will be watching closely. On the housing side, existing home sales edged up 0.2% in April, and inventory rose up nearly 6% from March, still below historical norms. New jobless claims are holding around 211,000, though continuing claims at 1.78 million suggest it's taking longer for workers to find new jobs. The biggest wild card for the bond market right now, and really for mortgage rates, is the ongoing conflict in Iran and oil prices, and that's the headline to really watch. Let's talk rates. According to the Optimal Blue Index, the average 30-year fixed rate as of last Friday, May 18th, came in just below 6.5%. A quick reminder about what this means. The Optimal Blue Index reflects data from roughly 35% of mortgage transactions, specifically lenders that use their platform for locking in a rate. So it's a meaningful snapshot, but it's not the whole picture. A couple important caveats is that you can't lock in last Friday's rate, and we don't know what your credit score, loan to value ratio, and other factors that impact the rate that you may personally qualify for. So this information I share with you is just to give you an idea of trends. And if you would like to have a current rate quote based off of your personal financial scenario, please reach out to me. I'm happy to do that for you. Here's what's on the calendar this week. Monday, we get the NAHB Housing Market Index. Tuesday brings ADP employment and pending home sales. Wednesday features the 20-year Treasury auction and the release of the Fed minutes. Thursday, jobless claims plus housing starts and building permits. And Friday wraps up with consumer sentiment. The next FOMC rates decision is scheduled for June 17th. And most of these reports are likely to take a backseat to what's happening with Iran and oil prices. That's the real driver of bond market movement right now, and it could cause rates to shift quickly in either direction. Let's check in on mortgage-backed securities. It's about 9:40 this morning as I prepare this for you, Seattle time. And MBS have been moving around quite a bit because the bond market, which is what mortgage rates are based on, is so sensitive to the shifting headlines right now. Rates are vulnerable to sudden midday changes. And so if you are in the process of buying or refinancing, it's worth staying in close contact with your loan officer so that you don't miss an opportunity to lock. If you're out there shopping for a home right now, I want to make sure that you know about something that can really set you apart. It's called a buyer's pass. Think of it as a next level pre-approval letter. What makes it really unique is that this pre-approval letter lives right in your phone's digital wallet for easy access. When you're out there touring homes or meeting with a listing agent or site agent, you can pull it up instantly and show them that you are fully pre-approved and hopefully fully underwritten, which is what I like to do with my home buyers. It includes your pre-approval letter as well as your buyer's agent contact information if you're not touring homes with your buyer's agent, as well as a short video introduction from me that confirms your qualifications. So this kind of presentation that shows how committed you are can help give you a leg up against other competitors or buyers that may be looking at the same home. It can make a real difference for you. So if you'd like to get your buyer's pass set up, reach out to me. I'd love to help you. Thanks so much for watching. If you have questions about your specific situation, whether you're buying, refinancing, or just trying to figure out what your options may look like, I'd love to hear from you. Visit me at mortgageporter.com or reach out directly. I'm always happy to help. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.